Hello and welcome to the Clever Fox YouTube channel. My name is Ilysse and today I'm going to be sharing with you and planning in my Clever Fox gratitude journal. This is a 3-month undated journal with daily, weekly, and monthly prompts. And I'm using this journal to really get back on track with myself, my gratitude, and I recommend that you do as well. So make sure that you stay tuned through the whole video because I'm going to be starting it in the morning and then checking back in at the end of the day and also just giving you an overview of this journal, and that you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future videos and hit that notification bell. Let's get started. All right, so first I just want to say I love this gratitude journal. I really do. This is a 3-month undated gratitude journal, which means that you can start it at any time. And if you skip a day or miss a day because life gets busy, life gets in the way, it's okay because you're not going to be wasting any pages. Before we get started, I also wanted to note a couple of other features. So with all Clever Fox planners, you have a pocket here in the back. This comes with 3 sticker sheets. I love these that fit right here in the back. We have a band to keep your planner together, a pen loop, and 3 ribbons. So you could put these ribbons on the page that you are currently on. You could have one in the weekly reflection and one in the evening reflection as well. When you first open the journal, we have the section for you to write your name, phone, email, and reward if found. And then this would be one day. So you'd write the date, today's main goal, most excited about, today I am grateful for, opportunities I have that I'm grateful for, what do I like most about my town or city, and today my affirmation is. And then in the evening, today I felt, and I love these: happy, adventurous, creative, overwhelmed, excited, relaxed, chatty, sad, loving, proud, neutral, and space for you to even fill in your own. The best things I experienced today were, things I did to make a positive difference today include, lessons I have learned today are, and I am looking forward to. And on the left side of the page, these change each day. So what am I grateful for that I am taking for granted? How can I describe my life in an 8-word sentence? And then you will have each of these days, and again, undated, you can start whenever you would like. And then we have a weekly exercise, which is really great. You could spend time on Sunday evening, kind of just spending time in your planner, filling out this gratitude journal. So we have the weekly exercise: complete these sentences: I am, I wish, I need, I can, I think, I choose, I really, I always, I should, I keep, I listen to, I feel, I love, I live, I believe. And then the weekly review: this week's wins, habits and skills, what made this week great, favorite moments, what challenges I've experienced that I can be thankful for, actions I will take to make the next week even better, and quote or phrase of the week. And again, those weekly exercises change each week. So this one is list 2 or what are your sources of the following: friendship, romance, happiness, strength, and inspiration. What did I read or listen to that added value to my life? And then we also have a monthly. There was another weekly exercise. Here's another one, and there's a monthly review. Okay, so this is a monthly wellness check, which I think is so great because how often do we take a moment to sit and think about where we're at in terms of our wellness each month? So on a scale of 1 to 10, how do I feel about this past month? Overall mood, communication, family, friends, health, fitness, romance, fun, creativity, emotions, personal growth, spiritual thoughts, relaxation, outdoor activities, time for myself, habits, finance, sleep, and encouragement. And then a monthly review: what made me feel happy, what challenges have I overcome this month, and how have they made me feel stronger. So this is the first month, and then we have 2 more because again, this is a 3-month gratitude journal. Here's another example of a weekly exercise. I love this one: fill in the shapes with your fears and doubts, then color them in until you can't see your fears. So it is the morning. I'm ready to start. Let's go ahead and begin filling this in. So I am going to take out my pen. I am using a Sharpie S Gel 0.38. It's fast drying. It's my pen of choice. But the paper on here is 120 GSM, so it's really strong, and all pens that I've tested have not bled through, so you don't have to worry too much about what kind of pen you're using in this planner. So today's date is June 7th, 2022, and today's main goal is going to be, I think we're gonna do 2 goals over here. There's no rules, it's your planner, but I actually wanna use some color in here. So I'm going to use a marker to kind of color this in. It can be fun to just add a little pop of color in here. You could add stickers too, but you could also just write in it. There's no rule about decorating your gratitude journal. So today's main goal is going to be stay hydrated. I, like many of us, I think can be guilty of drinking water throughout the entire day and not enough. I'm drinking coffee throughout the entire day and not enough water. So today's main goal is going to be staying hydrated. And then I'm most excited about my nephew's baseball game. All right, today I am grateful for. So let's jump in here and note some things that I am grateful for. I like this green color. It's bringing me joy. Today I am grateful for, and when I look outside, the sun is shining. I am pain-free. I experience migraines, and so not all days are pain-free days, but so far today is a pain-free day, and that is something to be grateful for. My supportive family, having a home I love. I spoke recently in some videos about the fact that I just moved, and it's really nice to just have this home that I love. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these bullets here. And these don't all have to be individual lines. You could write this as one big paragraph or sentence. This is your gratitude journal. So however you do it is the right way to do it. I've made progress in my budget, strong relationships with my friends. This will be a little bit longer. While tough at times, my job is going well overall. Opportunities that have come my way, and I'm grateful for a good book. Always grateful for a good book. So we started and we ended here with exclamation points. The sound or music that brings me joy. Okay, so we're gonna do a couple things here. So I'm gonna do sounds and music. So let me write sounds. We'll do a sound this way and a sound this way. Okay, sound, my niece's laugh. My niece has the best laugh. And it makes me so happy. Another one that's a little silly, but it's my joy, is a package delivery. You know that sound when like you hear a thump outside? That's exciting to me. That brings me joy. Unless of course it's for one of my neighbors, then I'm joyful for them, but not as joyful as I would be on my own. And music. So lately I've been on a kick with 2 different artists. It's been Tom Petty and Lizzo. I think they bring me different kinds of joy, but I am enjoying both of them a lot right now. All right, so what do I like to do with my family and why? We are gonna turn this a little bit just to be able to get some comfortable space writing here. My favorite time spent with my family is having Sunday dinner and playing outside. All right, and today my affirmation is, no matter how stressful my work day may be, I know I have the ability to through. Sometimes you just need one of those reminders. All right, so this is my day. I'm feeling good, just spending some time in here, really kind of setting up what I'm grateful for, things that bring me joy, what I like to do with my family, and today's affirmation. And then I will be back later on and we will fill out this evening reflection. Okay, it is nighttime. The day is just about over. I used my handy bookmark to mark the page for today. So let's see what my evening reflection is. I don't know. If you asked me earlier, I would have said overwhelmed, but I'll say that, let's see, I think I'm gonna write it in. We're gonna do a smile, even though that's a smile there for happy. Okay. I'm just feeling good. Not generally fully happy, but good. That's kind of my feeling. Okay, the best things I experienced today. Great weather, finished a hard project at work, talked to my uncle on the phone, and watched my nephew play baseball. Okay, and then let's kind of check these off with bullets. Not check them off, but note them. Things I did to make a positive difference today include, I gave praise to a coworker who did a good job, even though I know she has been struggling. Sometimes getting praise and giving praise is really important. I think that I know it helps motivate me, and even just giving it to myself is a good motivator. So I tried to help motivate this coworker because she did a good job, and it was important to recognize that. Let's kind of highlight these. Lessons I have learned today are, I am only one person. While I can do a lot, there's also only so much I can. So that's lesson 1 that I have to remind myself of. And then lesson 2 is going to be that I must, and I'm going to highlight the word must or underline, schedule time in my day for, and then we're going to write this in big letters, joy and rest. But we're just gonna highlight joy over here because I think that in all of our lives, there's so much that we're responsible for each day, and scheduling these little moments of joy are really important. I was stressed with work and could have not gone to the baseball game and just kind of relaxed, but I knew the baseball game would bring me fresh weather. I would get to see my family, and it would bring me joy. All right, let's talk about things I'm looking forward to. So today I'm looking forward to the fact that, tomorrow I'm looking forward to the fact that I have a massage, which will be nice and relaxing. Massage tomorrow, weekend rest, seeing my friends this weekend, and getting my hair done this weekend as well. Okay, and now I feel like it's kind of crazy, but like in a great way to see everything, like where this day started and where it ended. These are all the things that have brought me joy, what I'm grateful for, what I like to do with my family, today's affirmation. And I was right. No matter how stressful my workday may be, I know I have the ability to get through it. So hopefully you got some ideas as to how you could use this gratitude journal. And remember that you can purchase this journal over at cleverfoxplanner.com. Please give us the thumbs up if you liked this video, and make sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss any future videos of ours. Thank you for watching, and we will see you soon.